distinguished guests, respected sirs, teachers, and my dear beloved friends. It's a great pleasure and privilege for me to be a part of this wonderful session. At first, I cordially thank you all for joining in this fabulous meet. And a special thanks to Rajesh Vashi sir and assiduous Haryana students. And today, guys, we are going to interact with Haryana students and they are going to interact with us in the part of the project Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. And we are going to watch and witness some competitions and performances of our beloved friends. So hope you're eagerly waiting to watch and witness their performances. Without in late, let's get started. But before we get started, I want to tell you some rules and regulations that would definitely help you and that would make the session beautiful. So at first, make sure that your microphone is in mute always. Whenever you get the chance, just unmute yourself and speak. Then the sounds from your side won't disturb nor distract the session. So be attentive and formal in the session. Just watch your friends' performances, inspire, enjoy, and witness them. So now I cordially invite Sainakshit from TSMS Mulkanur to tell a quote.
Yeah, thank you, Rahul, for inviting me. Good evening, everyone, and myself is Sainakshit, studying 9th class in Telangana State Model School, Mulkanur. And dream, dream, dream. Dream transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. And this is the quote said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And see, friends, if we dream and our dream transform into our thoughts, and when we get our thoughts and the thoughts, we practice them, and those thoughts results as an actions. And thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sainakshit, for such a beautiful quote. It's so nice. And let's start our wonderful session with a wonderful prayer song, guys. And now I'd like to invite Bhavyasri from Government High School, Narendra Nagar, to sing a prayer song.
Thank you, Rahul, for inviting me. A pleasant evening to high dignitaries, respected teachers, and my dear friends. I am Bhavyasri, studying 9th class in GHS Narendra Nagar. Ya kundendu tusharahara davana Ya shukravasthanvita Ya vina varadanda manditakara Ya shmeta masana Ya brahmachuta shankara prabhutivi devai sada vandita Saman patu saraswati bhagavati nisheshatyapaha. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Yes, thank you so much, Bhavyasri, for such a great and wonderful prayer song. It's so nice and melodious. Thank you so much. And now today is such a big day and important day. Today is the birth anniversary of such a great and phenomenal poet, Mahakavi Sri Sri. So now I request Hasni from KGBV Ainavol to explain recording the day.
Thank you for inviting me. A very pleasant good evening to honorable dignitaries, respected teachers, head of the institutions, and my dear lovely brothers and sisters. I am J. Hasani, 9th standard from KGBV Ainavolu, guide teacher Shafrin ma'am, SOK Sunita ma'am. So today on this auspicious occasion, Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat, I want to tell a few lines about today's birth anniversary of Sri Sri Garu. So Sri Sri Garu, full name was Srirangam Srinivasa Rao, was born on 30 April 1910 and died on 15 June 1983. His popularly known as Sri Sri was an Indian poet and lyricist who is known for his works in Telugu literature and films. Noted for his anthology Mahaprasthanam, and Sri Sri Garu is a recipient of National Film Award and Nandi Award and a Sahitya Academy Award. And Sri Sri Garu was born in Vishakhapatnam and died in Chennai. And Sri Sri Garu famous books are Mahaprasthanam and Sri Sri Sahityamu. And Sri Sri Garu children's was Mala Srinivasa Rao, Manjula Srinivasa Rao, and Venkata Srinivasa Rao. And he was a member of Pen India Sahitya Academy and vice president of the South Indian Film Writers Association and Madras and president of Writers Association of Andhra. And I want to tell a small kavita of Sri Sri sir. సాగే జీవితం అవధులెరగక సాగని సాగని ఆగని మరణం వేగం మరువక నా దరికి రాని ఆశయ ఖడ్గంతో దృఢ సంకల్పంతో ఎదిరించిన ఎన్నటినైనా చెదరని చిరునవ్వుతో కష్టాల్ నష్టాల్ ఏరులై పారని సుఖాల్ దుఃఖాల్ వరదలై పొంగని శిలాహృదయం నయనద్వారమున కరగని తుడి చేయన అన్నిటినీ ఒకే ఒక చిరునవ్వుతో పాపాల్ పుణ్యముల్ పాములై కాటయ్యని అందాల్ బందాల్ తీగలై వాటయ్యని నా కర్మ పాశం స్వధర్మ గీతం చాటున మట్టు పెట్టని తెగించి హరించన అన్నిటినీ కానని చిరునవ్వుతో. అండ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు టెల్ అ స్మాల్ కోట్ ఆఫ్ శ్రీ శ్రీ సర్. కుదిరితే పరిగెత్తు, లేకపోతే నడువు, అది చేత కాకపోతే పాకుతూ పో, అంతేకాని ఒకే చోట అలా కదలకుండా ఉండిపో. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, టుడే ఇస్ ద బర్త్ యానివర్సరీ ఆఫ్ శ్రీ శ్రీ గారు. హీ వాజ్ 20వ శతాబ్దపు తెలుగు సాహిత్యాన్ని శాసించిన మహాకవి శ్రీ శ్రీ శ్రీరంగం శ్రీనివాస గారు. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎవ్రీవన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ లిసనింగ్ విత్ పేషెన్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Yes, thank you so much, Hasni, for explaining regarding such a great person. It's so lucid and you have explained in such a fantabulous way. And let's get into the competitions, guys. At first, I'd like to invite Raghaveni from JTHS Indiranagar to deliver a speech.
Thank you, brother, for inviting me. A good evening to everyone, respected dignitaries, sirs, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Raghaveni of Standard 9 from Zilla Parishad High School, Indiranagar, Siddipet. And in this session, I want to narrate a speech that is about the studies during the pandemic situation. The COVID-19 has resulted in schools shut all across the world. Globally, over 1.2 billion children are out of the classroom. As a result, education has changed dramatically with the distinctive rise of e-learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platforms. Research suggests that online class learning has been shown to increase retention of information and take less time, meaning the changes coronavirus has caused might be here to stay. While countries are at different points, their COVID-19 infection rates worldwide, there are currently more than 1.2 billion children in 186 countries affected by school closure due to the pandemic. Students' life during this corona time has students being have advantages and disadvantages. Some members are initially happy about the virus because there was a lockdown all over the India. There was no schools and colleges had an ash life initially, enjoying all the day with playing games, watching movies right from the morning to the night. At once an instant of time, some members thought there was no movie for me to watch and waiting for unlocking situation to meet friends and relatives. Still things are not settled to meet the friends and relatives. Slowly taking online classes after some time in the lockdown period onwards. Initially, online classes feel better, where there was a complete change in the situation of class atmosphere. After a month, came to know that there are lots of disadvantages and advantages to this type of education. The finally came to that virus is not be a blessing for students, but a foreshadow of the students' further life. To adjust to the online mode of education, the shift in education is totally different from all the education career. This type of online course seen in software engineers attending from home, taking time to adjust in college courses. The advantages and disadvantages of online classrooms. Advantage: there are no significant advantages because there is a huge loss in job lives and the economy of the country. But speaking about the children, there are some advantages. School and college holidays, students can use their quality time in studying and other activities in which they were interested. Spend time in the house by not going out and enjoy watch movies and do some craft work. Time to spend with family, best time to spend with grandparents, cousins, mother and father and other relatives as there is a ample time to spend if possible as per government norms. Moreover, the disadvantages of online classes. There are significant disadvantages because there is a huge loss in jobs and lives and the economy country. Main disadvantages for students are online classes. Online classes, the adoption rate is around 50 to 60%, whereas in the classroom, the adoption was around 80 to 90%. Online classes affect the eyes of the student due to long hours in the front of blue screen. Small children like play school and primary grades must not have this type of class because they have low concentration power and the small kids do not have the ability to sit for a long time in front of the blue screen. Surely, there are lots of disadvantages factors like no exams. Students are being given marks by the internals. This may impact their career in the future. These factors are going to be foreshadowed to the child future life. On this note, want to state that students are missing the days of schools and colleges. Hoping the government take good decisions on education with clear instructions as early as possible to avoid the situations that occurred by COVID-19 pandemic situation. And lots of poor students do not have access laptops, computers, and smartphones. All these students are native think there are should not have disparate education. So the pandemic situation were spoiled the future and the career of student life. So please utilize the corona pandemic situation in best way and in best manner. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much, Raghavani, for such a great and wonderful speech. That's so nice. You have delivered wonderfully, and the message you have conveyed at the end of your speech is totally fabulous. Thank you so much. And now I cordially invite Bhavyasri from GHS Narendra to tell a story.
Thank you, Rahul, for inviting me. A glorious evening to high dignitaries, respected teachers, head of the institutions, and my dear friends. I am Bhavyasri studying 9th class in Government High School, Narendra Nagar, Warangal Urban. I am going to say a short story. A fox and a goat. Once upon a time, a fox was roaming around the forest in the dark. Unfortunately, he fell into a well. He tried his level best to come out, but was not able to come out. So he had no other alternative. So he thought that he should wait for the next morning. The next morning, a goat came that way. She peeped into the well and saw the fox there. The goat asked, "What are you doing there, Mr. Fox?" The sly fox replied that, "I came here to drink water. It is the best I have ever tasted like this water. Come and drink." Without thinking even for a while, the goat jumped into the well, quenched her thirst, and looked for a way to get out. But just like the fox, she also found herself helpless and come out to come out. Then the fox said, "I have an idea. You stand on your hind legs. I will climb on your head and get out. Then I shall help you and bring you up." So the goat was innocent and did not realize the cunningness of the fox. So the goat helped the fox to go up. After going up, the fox said, "Had you been intelligent enough, you would never have jumped into in without thinking how to get out. The fox is saying that without thinking how can you jump. So we should think before doing any work. We should have some plan what we are going to do next. So think once while doing any work. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Yes, thank you so much, obviously, for your wonderful story. It's so nice and beautiful. Thank you so much. I'm now cordially invite Gautami from Tribal Welfare Ashram, Siddipet, to sing a song.
Thank you, Rahul, for inviting me. First of all, I call good evening to all respected sirs, teachers, guests, high dignitaries, and my dear friends. Now I'm sing a song. దాని కుడి భుజం మీద కడవా దాని గుత్తె పురైకలు మెరియా అది రమ్మంటే రాదుర చెలియా దాని పేరే సరంగదరియా టిండిండి డిండి డిండిన్ దాని ఎడం భుజం మీద కడవా దాని ఎజంటు రైకలు మెరియా అది రమ్మంటే రాదుర చెలియా దాని పేరే సరంగదరియా టిండిండి నిండి డిండిన్ కాళ్ళకు ఎండి గజ్జల్ లేకున్నా నడిస్తే గల్గల్ కొప్పుల మల్లే దండల్ లేకున్నా చెక్కిల గిల్గిల్ నవ్వుల లేవుర ముత్యాల్ అది నవ్వితే వస్తాయి మురిపాల్ నోట్లో సున్నం కాసల్ లేకున్నా తమ్మల్ పాకల్ ముని పంటితో నొక్కితే పెదవుల్ ఎర్రగా అయితది రామనదిల్ చురియా 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 అది సుర్మా పెట్టిన చురియా అది రమ్మంటే రాదుర చెలియా దాని పేరే సరంగదరియా దాని కుడి భుజం మీద కడవా దాని గుత్తె పురైకలు మెరియా అది రమ్మంటే రాదుర చెలియా దాని పేరే సరంగదరియా దాని ఎడం భుజం మీద కడవా దాని ఎజంటు రైకలు మెరియా అది రమ్మంటే రాదుర చెలియా దాని పేరే సరంగదరియా రంగే లేని నా అంగి జడ తాకితే అయితది నల్లంగి మాటల ఘాటుల వంగి మరలబడితే అది శివంగి తీగలు లేని సరంగి వాయించబోతే అది బిరంగి గుడియా 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 అది చిక్కని చిడియా అది రమ్మంటే రాదుర చెలియా దాని పేరే సరంగదరియా దాని సెంపలు వెన్నెలు కురియా దాని చెవులకు దుద్దలు మిరియా అది రమ్మంటే రాదుర చెలియా దాని పేరే సరంగదరియా దాని నడం ముడతలే మురియా పడిపోతది మొగల్ల దునియా అది రమ్మంటే రాదుర చెలియా దాని పేరే సరంగదరియా దాని కుడి భుజం మీద కడవా దాని గుత్తె పురైకలు మెరియా అది రమ్మంటే రాదుర చెలియా దాని పేరే సరంగదరియా దాని ఎడం భుజం మీద కడవా దాని ఎజంటు రైకలు మెరియా అది రమ్మంటే రాదుర చెలియా దాని పేరే సరంగదరియా. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Yes, thank you, Gautami. And now it's a great pleasure for me and it's a great privilege for me to invite such a great personality. And now I cordially invite Rajesh Vashi sir, who is a great mentor and teacher. And welcome, sir. Welcome to the session. And I request sir to speak few words.
Thank you, Sampath sir. Thank you so very much. Namaskar to all. I hope my voice is audible. Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
listening to your speech and then story and then what Rahul has been speaking about and the way he's conducting the program and also the song by Gautami. Yeah, they all have touched my heart, dear students, and whatever you have been doing, it's fabulous. Kudos to you all. But definitely, I would like to congratulate, ELTA, Warangal Urban, and the state schools, CBSE schools, the students who are online attending this program, and definitely Sampath sir, Dr. Ravi, and the President T. Kumaraswamy for this wonderful, event. However, my brain again goes back to the speech that was delivered initially. And when one talks about online education and the problems that we are facing across the globe, dear children, these are hard times, undoubtedly, challenging times, difficult times. But remember one thing, at least we are breathing, we are living, and that's the quality of a human being. And another quality of a human being is that in each and every crisis, we never give up. We always have that, light of hope in our hearts and minds. And that hope always takes us forward. So let us be hopeful. And to you all students, I just have one sentence to say, one statement to make. Whatever you do in life, whatsoever the times are, always have a goal, remember your goal. Have a goal and remember your goal, but never, 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 never give up. That's all I wish to say today, and wish you all a very good luck and a healthy and happy life. Thank you, Sampath sir.
Yes, thank you so much, Rajesh sir. Pleasure to have you. Thank you so much for joining with us. And the words you have said just now, they are so inspiring. Yes, friends, as sir said, have a goal, remember your goal, and just never give up in any situation. Thank you so much, Rajesh sir. And let's get back to our competitions, guys. And now I cordially invite Mahi Kadian from Standard 9th to recite a poem.
Thank you for inviting me. Good evening, all of you, teachers, my dear friends, etc. I am Mahi. Today I recite a poem in Telugu.
Sampath sir,
Nadu,
Mahi, just hold on for a second. Is it possible that videos of students are visible? Is it possible?
Generally, we avoid that, but Mahi, if you don't mind, you can.
Mahi, you can, switch on your video.
okay, sir. నాదు జన్మ భూమి కంటే నాకమెక్కడుంది సురలోకమెక్కడుంది అమ్రేందడు గంధర్వులు విచ్చురలై మచ్చురలై వేడు ఖగావలీస వచ్చి విహరించే హిమశృంగం కాళిదాసు కంటి కోశల్ పసడి కలల పూలమాల మన గిరిధర ధామం స్వర్గ సీమలో ఎక్కడ పచ్చని సశ్యామల సుశ్యామల సీమ మనదు ధరణి పంటలకు ఇద్దియే ఆలవాలము. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you for giving a wonderful opportunity.
Yes, thank you so much, Mahi, for such a great presentation. You have given your best, and that's simply outstanding. Thank you so much. And now I'd like to invite Nazia from ZPHS Indiranagar to explain the dance forms of Telangana.
Yeah, thank you, brother, for inviting me. A very pleasant good evening to all. This is Nazia of class 9 of ZPHS Indiranagar, Siddipet. So in this glorious session, I want to explain about dance forms of Telangana. So now I want to share my screen. Brother, I think it's sharing.
Yes,
Yes,
sister.
Nazia. Yeah, okay, thank you. A warm welcome to everyone. This is Nazia of class 9 of ZPHS Indiranagar, Siddipet, Telangana, and my guide teacher is N. Madhu sir. So today in this glorious session, I want to explain about dance forms of Telangana. So here the dance forms of Telangana are 4 types, and the first type is Gusadi dance, and second one is Kuchipudi dance, third one is Dimsa dance, and fourth one is Lambadi dance. So let us know about these 4 dance forms. So first of all, let us know about Gusari dance. So Gusari dance of Gonds Deepavali is the biggest festival for the Rajhonda and Adilabad district in Telangana, and also Bones dressed in colorful costumes and decorated with neighboring villages in the trope singing and dancing. And also each member puts on a turban of peacock feathers and horns of the deer, artificial bed, and goat skin to the cover the body. This starts on the full moon day and goes on the till 14th day of the dark for night of Deepavali. So now let us discuss about Kuchipudi dance. So Kuchipudi dance is one of the 8 major Indian classical dances. It originated in a village named Kuchipudi in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is a dance or drama performance with its roots in the ancient Hindu Sanskrit text of Natya Shastra. So now let us discuss about Dhimsa dance. So Dhimsa is a tribal dance form that is performed primarily by the Porja caste women in Andhra Pradesh. A group of 15 to 20 women form a circle and dance praising the deity for the welfare of their domestic life. They also dance at since weddings, and the women pray for peaceful and happy married life. The attire is colorful with earthy tones of red, green, and yellow. The dancers wear saris that fall just below the knee. Their necks are adorned with tribal ornaments. So let us discuss about Lambadi dance. So Lambadi dance is a folk dance of Banjara community of Andhra Pradesh. It organized at the Anupu village. Almost every community, either big or small, has its own culture. They have their own dances. And also their expensive dance is dominated by the movements of feet and hands of group performing the dance in a circle. Through this dance can be performed by men and women, young and old, typically around 10 to 20 women from a chain. Move their feet according to the rhythm and make formations of smaller to larger. So thank you. So these are some major dance forms in Telangana. Thank you one and all, and a special thanks to Sampath sir and Elta Varangal. Thank you all.
Yeah. Thank you, Nazia. Really, thank you so much for your astonishing presentation. Yeah, it's amazing. Thank you. And now I would like to welcome Prerit Verma from 9th standard to perform a dance.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. I am Prerit of class 9th of Kendra Vidyalaya Biholi. Now I am going to perform a dance.
Switch on your video, Prerit. Prerit, start your video.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much, Prerit Verma, for such an outstanding performance. That's so nice, and I could say that we are extremely fortunate to see your performance. Thank you so much. And friends, would you like to reflect on the dance?
Continue, Rahul. Continue. Next performance.
Yes, okay, thank you. And now I'd like to invite Nazia from JPHS Indiranagar to tell a story.
Thank you, brother, for inviting me. A very pleasant good evening to all. This is Nazia of class 9 from ZPHS Indiranagar. So, in this session, I want to tell a story. So, let me start my story. Once a cat was caught in a hunter's net. A mouse used it to live in a nearby hole. The mouse, seeing the cat in the net, started playing around the cat. Soon a mongoose came there. He wanted to kill the mouse. As he lifted his head, he saw an owl sitting on a tree trying to catch him. The mongoose went near the cat's net to save himself. The mouse thought, when the hunter takes away the cat, mongoose will not spare me, and the owl is there to enjoy both of us. The mouse went to the cat and said, I can cut the neck if you promise to me to save my life from the mongoose and the owl. The cat agreed. The mouse started cutting the net slowly and freed the cat only when the hunter was just near the cat. The cat took to heels and so ran the mongoose too. The owl was very disappointed to see even the mouse running away to safety. A few days later, the cat, being hungry, went to the hole of the mouse and requested him to come out for a game. The mouse replied, I sought friendship and saved you to save my life. Now you can go home. Moral: don't nurture friendship with selfish people. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much, Nazia, for your beautiful story.
Children, if you have no objection, you can switch on video. Otherwise, you can switch off. Okay. Continue, Rahul. Over to you.
Yes, sir. And now I'd like to invite Adesh from Standard 9 from Haryana to show a poster. Yeah, it seems he's not joined. Let's continue.
Rahul,
Yes, sir.
what happened?
Nothing, sir.
Next, go for next.
Yes, sir. And now I'd like to invite Yashasvi from Standard 7 to tell a story.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Yashasvi, you could go through your story. Welcome.
Good evening, everyone. I, Yashasvi of class 7th, am here to recite a poem in English.
Just go on now. Hello? Go for next, man.
No, sir. Actually, there is network issue.
Yeah. So later you can join, Nana. You check it, and meanwhile others will. So you can read now. That recitation is okay. Your voice is okay for us. You can start.
The name of the poem is "Work While You." I'm starting "Work while you work, play while you play, to be useful and right. That is the way. All that you do by your mind. Things done by heaven are never done right. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. It's just okay. It's okay. Go on. Well done. Rahul, what you?
Yes, thank you so much, Yashasvi. And now I'd like to invite Bhavana from JPHS Indranagar to explain the food items of Telangana and Haryana.
Thank you for inviting me. Hi, hello, namaskar. A very pleasant good evening to one and all. I am Bhavana of 10th standard from ZPHS Indiranagar, Siddipet, and my guide teacher name is N. Madhu sir. So, today we will know about food items of Telangana, famous food items of Telangana. So, let's start. Telangana cuisine is a food culture unique to Telangana region. Telangana famous food has a variety of vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes as they are quite tasty. So let's start now. The first one is Sarvapindi. Sarvapindi is a famous breakfast dish of Telangana and it is a pancake prepared from rice flour, dal, ginger, garlic, sesame seeds, curry leaves and green leaves. The mixtures of grains, spices makes it is a lip-smacking dish. And the next one is Malidalu. Malidalu is prepared with chapati pieces combined with a mixture of jaggery, cashew, pista and ghee. Malidalu is a nutritious dish of Telangana. And next, tastiest of Telangana state, that is Gulab Jamun. The traditional dessert is called as Gulab Jamun. First, Gulab Jamun is a famous dessert in India prepared during Diwali festival. It is made of milk powder, sugar and deep fried in the oil. And
Gulab Jamun is a traditional dessert, is the center of attraction in every festival and in occasions of Telangana state. And this sweet dish is truly delicious and adds souls to every festival in Telangana state. And the next one is Hyderabadi biryani. Hyderabadi biryani has come to be known worldwide as one of the India's jewel food items. And Hyderabadi biryani, it is so delicious biryani with a trendy blend of aromatic basmati rice and rich rice. And the next one is Daddojanam. Daddojanam is also a spicy curd rice especially prepared on Batukama festival, and it is very special to prepare and also very delicious, and it is made of spices, rice and curd. This spicy curd rice is famous festive food in Telangana state. And the next one is Bobbatlu. So, which we can call it as Bakshalu. Bobbatlu is a regional sweet in Telangana state prepared especially on Ugadi festival along with Ugadi Pachadi, and it is made up of dal, sugar or jaggery, cardamom powder and water. It would be a great treat for the sweet lovers. And the next one is Pachi Pulusu. Pachi Pulusu is a basically alternative for rasam and requires much less work in order to be cooked, so the dish is very easy to prepare and doesn't require much attention. And its taste is really unique and it is famous for all over the states of Telangana, of India. And it is most famous recipe in Telangana state. And the next is famous snacks items of Telangana. That is Sakinalu and Murukulu. Sakinalu. We Telangana people are huge fans of deep fried snacks, and these are very famous snacks. These are generally prepared during Pongal in January month when we get newly harvested paddy and rice. And the next one is Garijalu and Harisalu. Garijalu is a sweet fill that comprises of dry grated coconut with sugar and optionally some cardamom. It is deep fried and its crispy shell is made from maida that is rolled out into the circle before cooking. And the people of Telangana state have been enjoying this sweet for many generations until now. And then Harisalu. Festive food in Telangana state prepared during Sankranti. And Harshalu is famous South Indian sweet which prepared on festivals. And so these are the famous food items of Telangana. Now let's go for famous food items of Haryana. So let's start it now. The first one is Besan Masala Roti. Besan ki masala roti is an Indian bread made with dough of besan, atta and ghee. Green chili powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and amchur is also mixed in the dough. This roti is consumed with sabzi. So this is a famous food of Haryana. And the next one is mixed dal. So, mixed dal is good for satisfying both your health and taste buds. It is protein-rich recipe and which various dals are mixed with spices and cooked in ghee. So, this is also famous food of Haryana. And the next one is Hara Dhania Cholia. Hara Dhania Cholia is an authentic dish of Haryana state. Cholia or green channa is mixed with other vegetables like onion, carrots and spices. This dish is sabzi and is had along with roti or rice. And the next one is Maulpa. Maulpa. Maulpa is an Indian version of sweet pancakes. These are fluffy and are served hot. Malfa is made up of garnished in ghee. In some places, it is served with rabri. And Malfa is a concerned milk-based sweet dish which is very famous in Haryana. So the next one is Dahi Vada. Dahi Vada is famous in the world of North India. This dish main ingredient are yogurt and vada. These vadas are plain
pakoras that are fried and then soaked in water. So this dish is eaten coldly and it is a wonderful recipe in Haryana state. The next one is meaty chawal. Meaty chawal are prepared using basmati rice, ghee and sugar along with some cardamom and saffron. Basmati rice is grown best in Haryana state. This dish is very famous and every individual must try it at least once. Next one is kadhi pakora. Kadhi is a gravy made from soy yogurt and is thickened using gram flour, and it is a very famous recipe and kadhi making it perfect Indian comfort food. And the next food item is bajra aloo roti. Bajra aloo roti is another popular Haryana dish. Bajra is consumed in Haryana, especially during the winter month, as bajra is said to produce warmth in the body. And bajra aloo rotis is prepared just like bajra roti, but with some smashed potatoes and various spices in it. And raita may be served on the side. And the next, that is Bauta Raita, is a yogurt recipe that is very refreshing and gives added benefits to health. And it is a famous recipe in Haryana. Raita can be served along with almost all meals in Haryana. So these are the recipes, famous food items of Telangana state and Haryana state, both states. So I think, have you enjoyed it watching? And thank you one and all for giving this such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you one and all.
Yeah, thank you, Bhavana. Yeah, really, thank you so much for explaining about such a delicious and nutritious food of both the state. Yeah, really, it's amazing. Thank you so much for your outstanding presentation. Thank you.
Thank
And
you.
next, I would like to welcome Akshra of class 7 to perform a dance.
Good evening, and thank you to invite me.
Akshara, you got network issue, Nana?
I think what Akshara can do is, Sampath sir, if you can hear my voice, what Akshara can do, she can prepare her video and share it. That will be easier for everyone to watch. And like, I think it's at her end.
Yes, yes, sir. So I will share that dance.
Yeah. That can be done.
Wonderful.
Yes, thank you so
What
much,
to Rahul?
Yes, thank you so much, Akshara, for such an amazing performance. It's so nice and just you have rocked it. It's so splendid. Thank you so much.
Rahul, your voice is low. You check your network.
So
So
is
can
it
I recite one more poem?
Rahul, Akshay, you gone? Rahul?
So easy,
Yeah.
very soon.
Thank you, Akshara. Yeah, thank you so much for your astonishing performance. You really, it's amazing, fantastic. Yeah, thank you so much. Now, I would like to welcome.
1 minute, Akshay. I request Rajesh sir to tell about this girl, magic girl of Haryana, and a few things about her, greatness of Akshara, and our children will know about her performance levels and her readiness to learn all these things. I request Rajesh sir to say few words.
Well, Sampath sir, I really don't know what to say because this presentation of Akshara has made me speechless. However, well, this has to be a message for other students who are online right now and maybe who are not also online. Yeah, it was yesterday only when I had a word with Mr. Sampath about participation of students from Haryana in this program. And it was within, say, half an hour. It took just half an hour for this girl, Akshara, to choose to select a, dance, one thing, style of dance, and then music for the same, and then costumes. And then she immediately prepared the song with the help of her sister, and then sent this video to Sampath sir. If I think he's the only, either God or Mr. Sampath is the only witness. Now, dear children, these kind of dance performances are frequent. They are regular in the Haryanvi culture. We all know, we are all well acquainted with that house in Haryana. You will find a soldier in the family. We either go on the borders and fight for the nation, for peace, else when we are at home, we just engage ourselves in merrymaking, laugh, dance, and perform. So this type of art is basically presented by girls, whereas when you saw when Prerit was making a dance presentation, it was a different style. The gestures and the movements are different, whereas the costumes worn by girls are different. The steps that are presented by female are totally different. Well, indeed, I know that she is my student, but performing at this level on this platform today, Akshara, you have really won my heart. Hats off to you, and I bless you that you go higher and higher and succeed in your life, beta. And rest of you also, when you were talking about of Telangana, undoubtedly it was mouth watering. And when it came to Haryana, it was an eye opener for me also as a Haryanvi. I learned, I came to know so many, dishes about, I came to know about them through you. And it was a wonderful presentation by you all. However, there are certain things that, we all need to know. What we will do, I will share some authentic, reliable, and valid information of Haryana from my side and share it with you so that you can improvise on your PowerPoint about Haryana. Undoubtedly, about Telangana, it was perfect, 10 out of 10. And about Haryana also, it was really very amazing. However, little bit of information is to be added in that. More information. That was perfect, but little bit of information we will provide you at the earliest so that your PPT is the best in India. God bless you. There are some more students who would like to make some presentations. There is Niyati also. Maybe she is having some dance presentation. If she is around, she can, if Sampath sir allows her. And maybe next time we'll have more of them. Thank you, Sampath sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. The time permits, we will continue, sir. Otherwise, we can extend this some other day also. Okay, thank you, Rajesh sir, for your initiation and encouraging the children. Thank you for your presence here.
So can
Next,
I?
Rahul and Akshaya, please go on.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah, thank you, Akshay, for your amazing performance. And next, I would like to welcome Vaishnavi to tell a story.
Thank you, sister, from inviting me. Hi, everyone. A very pleasant good evening to one and all. I am E. Vaishnavi from JPHS Indiranagar, Siddipet. I am studying 6th standard. Now I am saying about story. Story name is Padunu. I am storytelling in Telugu. అదో అందమైన గ్రామం. ఆ ఊరు చుట్టూ ఉన్న కొండల పక్క నుంచి గలగల పారే ఓ సెలయేరు ఉంది. దాంతో ఆ గ్రామంలోని భూములన్నీ పంటలతో కలకలలాడుతూ ఉండేవి. కానీ ఆ ఏడాది వర్షాలు సరిగా కురవలేదు. సెలయేరు ఎండిపోయింది. భూములన్నీ బిడుగులా మారిపోయాయి. చేసేది లేక గ్రామ ప్రజలంతా పక్క గ్రామాలకు కూలి పని కోసం బయలుదేరారు. అలా వెళ్ళిన వారిలో బలారం కూడా ఒకడు. అతడు పేరుకు తగ్గట్టుగానే కండలు తిరిగిన బలవంతుడు. ఎంతటి బరువులనైనా సునాయాసంగా ఎత్తేసేవాడు. ఓ కట్టెల వ్యాపారి దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి ఏదైనా పని ఉంటే ఇప్పించండి అని అడిగాడు బలారం. అడవికి వెళ్ళి చెట్లు కాలి చేయగలవా అని వ్యాపారి అడిగాడు. చేయగలను అన్నాడు బలారం. రోజు నువ్వు కొట్టే చెట్లు సంఖ్యను బట్టి నేను జీతం ఇస్తాను అని వ్యాపారి చెప్పాడు. అలాగే అంటూ గొడ్డలి భుజాన వేసుకొని అడవికి బయలుదేరాడు బలారం. స్వతహంగా బలవంతుడు కావడంతో తొలి రోజే ఉత్సాహంగా 10 చెట్లను నరికాడు. ఇతడి పనితనం చూసిన వ్యాపారి అభినందించాడు. ఆ రోజు రాత్రి తృప్తిగా భోజనం చేసి నిద్రపోయాడు బలారం. మరోనాడు అదే ఉత్సాహంతో అడవికి వెళ్ళాడు బలారం. కానీ 8 చెట్లనే కొట్టగలిగాడు. బలారంకి తన సామర్థ్యం మీద కాస్త అనుమానం కలిగింది. ఆ మరుసటి రోజు 6, తర్వాతి రోజు 4, ఇలా రోజు రోజుకు నరికే చెట్ల సంఖ్య తగ్గిపోతుంది. ఏమైంది నాకు? నా బలం నెమ్మదిగా తగ్గిపోతుందా? ఇదో రోగమా? తన కండలపై అనుమానం పెరిగింది బలారంలో. ఆ రోజే యజమాని దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాడు. అయ్యా, నాకేదో జబ్బు చేసింది. రోజు రోజుకి నా బలం తగ్గిపోతుంది. ఇక పని చేయలేను. దయచేసి నన్ను పంపించేయండి అన్నాడు వ్యాపారితో. కాసేపు ఆలోచించిన వ్యాపారి, ఏది నీ గొడ్డలి తీసుకురా అని అన్నాడు. తీసుకొచ్చి ఇచ్చాడు బలారం. గొడ్డలిని కాసేపు పరిశీలించి, బలారం, నీ భుజబలంతో మాత్రమే ఇన్నాళ్ళు పని చేశావా? కానీ నీ బుద్ధి బలాన్ని వాడటం లేదా? చెట్టు కొట్టిన తరువాత గొడ్డలి పదును తగ్గుతుంది. వెంటనే దాన్ని పదును చేయాలి, లేదంటే మొద్దు వారిపోతుంది. ఇంత చిన్న విషయాన్ని తెలుసుకోకుండా పని చేస్తున్నావా? కండబలం ఉన్నంత మాత్రాన ఎవ్వరు సముద్రాలు కారు. దానికి బుద్ధి బలం తోడవాలి అని చెప్పాడు వ్యాపారి. పొరపాటు తెలుసుకున్న బలారం గొడ్డలికి పదును పెట్టాడు. ఆ మరోనాడు ఉత్సాహంగా అడవికి వెళ్ళి మొదటి రోజులాగే 10 చెట్లను నరకగలిగాడు. కృతజ్ఞతలు.
Rahul, can
Yes,
I
sir.
see this wonderful girl Vaishnavi once, if you allow? I want to see her.
Yes, sir, definitely. Vaishnavi, could you switch on your video?
Okay, brother.
Yeah, good evening, Vaishnavi.
Good evening, sir.
You're very dynamic. I like the style of your, narrating the story. It was wonderful. God bless you, Vaishnavi. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right, thank you. So she is also a wonder girl, sir, from Siddipet. She participates in many things, though she is from 6th class, 6th standard.
I
Okay,
could,
all the
I
very
could
best.
make out. I could make out she's a dynamic girl. God
Yes.
bless. And I think you have done wonders. Carry on. Please carry on.
Thank you. Next, Rahul. Shall I share the screen of Nikita?
Yeah, if Nikita, she has shared anything with you, yeah, please.
Yeah. 1 second.
Well, that is Purvi's poster. If Purvi's poster can also be shown, we can see
Yes.
that.
Yes.
Nikita, if she's online, she can, make her presentation. What is this? Oh, okay, okay. So this is about environment, I
Purvi,
believe.
are
Okay.
you there now? You can explain about this.
Purvi, are you there? Maybe we are having, some network issue at this end. No worries. A good one. A good one. I like it.
Purvi is there. Is there. Class 7th. You unmute now.
Yeah, Purvi,
Purvi?
you unmute your mic and speak about it if you want to.
Okay. Otherwise, it's okay.
Yeah. What about Niyati? Is she online? Is Niyati online?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Niyati, what are you going to present?
Sir, actually, here are some internet issues, so my video is in progress. Sir, I have sent it to
Okay.
the
Okay. 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 Right. Right. Go on.
Meanwhile, you can make a live presentation, Niyati, if you can.
Sir,
Performance. Who is
can
that?
we
Go
share
on.
the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Shall we continue?
Oh, okay. Share sound, no. Sound is not there. Otherwise, you can send video to me.
Niyati, you share your video with Sampath sir, and then we'll, present it at any time, whenever we
Yes.
get time in future. No worries. But however, if you all can see the video and the costumes that the girl is wearing, this is traditional, costume of Haryanvi ladies. Though the ghagra is a bit small one this here because this girl is wearing, but if you can see the anklets, in olden times, the ladies in Haryana, especially the aged ones, they used to wear very heavy ornaments, very heavy ornaments, 2 kg, 4 kg, sometimes more than 6 kg. They were very heavy, and they used to put on these anklets. They were made of silver. So silver anklets were used in Haryana. That's all right, Niyati, that's all right, because we cannot listen.
Stop sharing, Nana. Stop
Yeah,
sharing.
you can, yeah, you can stop sharing. Stop sharing. Sampath sir, please carry on. Yeah, we can
Yeah,
wind
yeah.
up.
I will. Rahul, over to you, and please announce the name of next student.
Yes, sir.
You can stop sharing, Nana. Later, I will share with others.
Yes, let's continue our session, guys. And now I'd like to invite Meghana from KGBV Ainavolu to read out the essay. Neti, could you stop the screen sharing?
Okay, Nana, continue.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you. And now I'd like to invite Meghana from KGBV Ainavolu to read out the essay. Yes, Meghana, are you there? Yeah, might she is suffering from few network issues. Let's go on. I'd like to-
Please, can I recite a poem story?
Yeah, we will call you, Nana. Wait.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now I'd like to invite Shravani from KGBV Ainavolu to read out the essay.
Bro, can I read essay?
Meghana, go on.
Okay, sir.
First.
Good evening to one and all. This is Meghana from 9th standard from KGBV Ainavol. Essay on topic water resources. Introduction. Water is the most important and valuable natural resource on Earth. Before the discovery of traces of water on Mars, Earth was the only planet in the solar system to contain water. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water, but only 3% of the water available water is fresh water. Water resources are natural resources of water that are potentially useful. 97% of the water on the earth is salt water and only 3% is fresh water. Slightly over two-thirds of this is frozen in glaciers and polar ice caps. Description. Water uses. It is estimated that 10% of worldwide water is used for irrigation, with 15.35% of irrigation with withdrawals being unsustainable. All living things require water to grow and reproduce. Technologies used to provide fresh water include the use of reclaimed water and desalination. Slogans. You never know the worth of water until the well runs dry. Don't let don't tell life slip down the drain. How many drops make up an ocean? Don't flush over planet's most available resource. It takes a lot of blue to stay green. Conclusion. In order to reduce the disadvantages, we need to follow our solution methods based on national integrated water resources. Water resource management within the body of our government. So please, friends, don't waste water. Thank you. Thank you giving this golden opportunity.
Yes, thank you so much, Meghna. And now I cordially invite Janvi from 7th standard to tell a story.
Thank you, Sampath sir and Rahul bro.
Yeah, Janvi, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, are you ready for your story?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you may.
Hello, everyone. I am Janvi. I read in class 7 in KVS Beholi. I want to recite a story about how are you peoples and engaged in pulling each other's legs and how are peoples degrading each other. Please listen carefully. एक तालाब में बहुत सारे मेंढक रहते थे। उस तालाब के ठीक बीचों बीच एक बड़ा सा लोहे का खंबा था जो कि वहां के राजा ने लगवाया हुआ था। एक दिन तालाब के मेंढकों ने निश्चय किया कि क्यों न इस खंबे पर चढ़ने के लिए रेस लगाई जाए। जो भी इस खंबे पर चढ़ जाएगा उसको प्रतियोगिता का विजेता माना जाएगा। रेस का दिन निश्चित हुआ। रेस का दिन निश्चय हुआ। कुछ दिनों के बाद रेस का दिन आ गया। प्रतियोगिता को देखने के लिए और प्रतियोगिता में भाग लेने के लिए कई मेंढक आए। रेस आरंभ हुई। चारों ओर शोर ही शोर था। सब उस लोहे के बड़े से खंबे को देखकर कहने लगे, अरे इस पर चढ़ना नामुमकिन है। और ऐसा हो भी रहा था। जो भी मेंढक खंबे पर चढ़ने का प्रयास करता वो खंबे के चिकने और ऊंचा होने के कारण थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाकर नीचे गिर जाता। बार बार कोशिश करने के बाद भी कोई ऊपर खंबे पर नहीं पहुंच पा रहा था। अब तक काफी मेंढक हार मान गए थे और कुछ मेंढक अपनी कोशिश जारी रखे हुए थे। इसके साथ साथ अभी भी रेस देखने आए मेंढक जोर जोर से चिल्लाए जा रहे थे कि यह असंभव है, इसको कोई नहीं कर सकता। ऐसा बार बार सुन सुनकर काफी मेंढक हार मान बैठे और उन्होंने भी प्रयास करना छोड़ दिया और अब वो भी उन मेंढकों का साथ देने लगे और जोर जोर से चिल्लाने लगे। लेकिन उन्हीं में से एक छोटा सा मेंढक लगातार कोशिश करने के कारण खंबे पर जा पहुंचा। हालांकि वो भी काफी बार गिरा, उठा, प्रयास किया, तब कहीं जाकर वो सफलतापूर्वक खंबे पर जा पहुंचा और उसे रेस का विजेता घोषित किया गया। उसको विजेता देखकर मेंढकों ने उसकी सफलता का कारण पूछा कि यह असंभव कार्य तुमने कैसे किया, यह तो नामुमकिन था। मेंढक की आवाज आई और उससे क्या पूछते एक मेंढक की आवाज आई। उसने कहा, अरे उससे क्या पूछते हो, वो तो बहरा है। लेकिन फिर भी मेंढकों ने पता करने के लिए एक ऐसे मेंढक की मदद ली जो उसकी सफलता का कारण जान सके। विजेता मेंढक ने बताया कि मैं बहरा हूँ, मुझे सुनाई नहीं देता, लेकिन जब आप लोग जोर जोर से चिल्ला रहे थे तो मुझे लगा जैसे आप मुझसे कह रहे हो कि यह तुम कर सकते हो, यह तुम्हारे लिए मुश्किल नहीं है। इन्हीं शब्दों ने मुझे सफलता दिलाई। शिक्षा। तो दोस्तों यह थी तो मेंढकों की कहानी, लेकिन यह कहानी काफी हमारी जिंदगी से भी मिलती जुलती है, क्योंकि हम बाहर दुनिया को सुनते हैं जो हमेशा हमसे कहती है कि तुम यह नहीं कर सकते, तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं है, क्योंकि हमारे अंदर सफलता पाने की क्षमता होती है
और हम सफलता पा भी सकते हैं, लेकिन दूसरों की बातों में आकर अपने लक्ष्य को पाने से चूक जाते हैं, जिसके कारण हम एक औसत जिंदगी जीते हैं। इसलिए आज से हमें उन सभी लोगों के प्रति अंधे और बहरे हो जाना चाहिए जो हमें लक्ष्य से भटकाते हैं। ऐसा करने से आपको आपकी मंजिल पाने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता। थैंक यू फॉर लिसन टू मी। थैंक यू सर।
Yes, thank you so much, Janavi, for your wonderful, awesome story. It's so nice and wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. And now I'd like to welcome Pari from Standard 9th to perform a dance.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am Pari Singh of class 9th of Kendriya Vidyalaya Beholi. I am here to present a Haryanvi folk dance on the song Bawan Gaj Ka Daman.
Are you ready? Shall I share the screen?
Sir, इसमें आ रहा है the host. You cannot start your video because the host has disabled it.
Okay, now you can start video.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, good, Nana.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, well done, Nana. Next, over to Rahul.
Yes, thank you so much, Pavi, for such a wonderful dance. Happy to see that dance, and we are extremely fortunate. Thank you so much. And now, as you all know, guys, we have the video making competition, and the topic is that greatness of Haryana and Telangana. So we have made some videos, and I request Saujanya ma'am to please play the videos. Welcome, ma'am.
Okay, Rahul.
Madam, audio is not sharing. So you share with the computer sound. So are you
Okay,
using
sir.
laptop?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm doing, sir.
Sampath sir, what is the name of the child who has prepared this presentation?
Please unmute yourself and child. Who is that?
Sanikshit.
Sanikshit.
Am I pronouncing the name correct?
Yes, yes. Sanikshit Velanka.
Okay. Very nice, very nice. I like it. Sanikshit.
When I did, sir, before one, some other, and the video which is showing, I did.
Good one. Wonderful. Okay. You know, we can do one thing in future. Try to add your own pictures and photos. That will add value to it. It was a wonderful presentation. I'm looking for you all to add your photos, your parents' photographs in various activities, involved in various activities. So that will make it a bit, natural and more, appealing to everyone. It was wonderful, and I request you to share this video with me. Sampath sir, I would like to send it to CBSE headquarters.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Go on, ma'am. Please continue.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, could you please share the video of which you have renamed named as Science Sheet 2? That was the first. Science Sheet 2, ma'am, which you have renamed. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Sai, what do you want?
Ma'am, sir, I want to say that, ma'am, to share the video of named as Science Sheet 2. Yeah, thank you.
Stop sharing. Okay. So Rahul, anyone is left from Haryana, and please ask them. And we have to end up by 6. It is already 5:45. Please, any children from Haryana, please perform and raise your hands. And by that we can end the session.
So I think everyone, yeah. Yeah, at first I'd like to invite Prerit Verma to deliver a presentation. You may go on, brother.
Hello? Hello?
सर वो क्या नाम है आपका प्रोग्राम है
Prerit, what do you want to say? Please continue.
सर नेट इशू
Okay, it's all right. You can send the video and we will play later. And from any others from Haryana, please respond. Otherwise,
So Yashasvi.
Yashasvi, you can.
Good evening, good evening, everyone. Today, I, Yashasvi of class 7th, I am here to recite a poem that's title is Try Again. This a lesson you should heed. If at first you don't succeed, try again. When your courage appear, for if you will persevere, you will continue, never fear. Try again. Once or twice through you should fail. If you would at last prevail, try again. If we strive, this not disagree, through we do not win the race. What should you do in the case? Try again. If you find your task is hard, time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that other folks can do, why with patience should not you? Only keep the rule in view. Try again. Thank you. Thank you and have a nice day.
So this is by Nikita. They are doing coding projects, sir, with Scratch. They have made some videos.
Good evening to everyone. This is Likita of class 9th from ZPHS Indiranagar Siddipet. Now I'm going to give the presentation on Haryana tradition and culture. The Vedic land of Haryana has been a cradle of Indian culture and civilization. Indian traditions regard this region as the matrix of creation of northern altar, where Brahma performed the pristine sacrifice and created the universe. Replete with myths, legends and Vedic references, Haryana's past is steeped in glory. Haryana has more to offer. Also known as the Green Land of India, Haryana not only has a rich past but a great present and a promising future too. This 16th largest state in India ranks amongst the leading industrialized states in the country. It is a major producer and supplier of agricultural products in India. Haryana.
The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. The main spoken language in Haryana is Punjabi. The speciality of Haryana is that Haryana is one of the wealthiest states of India. Language of Haryana is Haryanvi. Haryanvi being the state language and the most of the headquarters of main office of Haryana lies here. It gets very imperative that a large chunk of Haryanvi come here on postings or settle here. Hence, the Haryanvi language is widely spoken and understood here. Haryana state is rich in folklore. These people of Haryana have their own traditions. The age-old customs of meditation, yoga and chanting of Vedic mantras are still observed by the masses. The seasonal and religious festivals glorify the culture of this region. The famous folk dance of Haryana is Ghumar dance. Some dances receive their inspiration from religion. The gods and the elements are invoked to shower their blessings on the labors of the community. Ghumar is a Rajasthan dance, but it is popular in Laharu, Dadri and some parts of Hisar and Bhiwani bordering Rajasthan. The dance is performed by women devotees on their way to the temple. Young women and girls carrying brass plates of offering in their hands go to the temple singing devotional songs. The dance is performed on Diwali, the festival of lights and Holi, the festivals of spring on the occasion of the local ceremony of Gangaur Puja. Brass plates in their hands, girls make a circle and start singing. The musicians strike a chord, and as soon as the tune begins to shape and gain momentum, the dancers put their offerings aside, forming a large circle and dances gracefully with uplifted arms to the simplest beats. Slowly the dance gathers momentum. The swaying bodies become frantic, taking the dance to its climax. Dressing style of Haryana. Their basic trousseau includes dhaman, kurti and chundar. The men generally wear dhoti, the wraparound cloth tucked in between the legs with a white colored kurta worn on top of it. Pagri is the traditional headgear for men, which is now worn mainly by the old villagers. Women wear long-sleeved shirts or kurtas made out of cotton. Women wear long, free, flared skirts called gagra. Gagras have different patterns and designs on them and are of many bright colors. They may also have a border at the bottom end. The famous festivals of Haryana are Teej Festival, Lohri Festival and Baisakhi Festival. Teej Festival. Teej Festival is celebrated every year in the state of Haryana. These festivities are held on Sawan Sudi. It welcomes the monsoon season and looks forward to the first showers of the southwest monsoons. The girls apply henna on their hands and receive new clothes from the members of the household. Baisakhi Festival. The festival marks the Hindu New Year. It is the beginning of the harvest season and is celebrated at the peak of the summer. This is a very important festival in the agricultural state of Haryana. It is celebrated on the 13th of April. And the Lohri festival is celebrated annually in the state of Haryana. It is held on the day of Hindu festival of Makar Sankranti. Lohri is an auspicious festival that celebrates joy, peace, fertility and the harmony of life. A bonfire is created and the locals surrounded it to throw puffed rice and sweets and popcorn into the flames as offerings. The religious rites are traditionally observed all over Haryana. The main crops of agriculture of Haryana are wheat, rice, sugarcane, cotton, oilseeds, barley, corn, millet, etc. There are two main types of crops in agriculture of Haryana, Rabi and Kharif. The major Kharif crops of Haryana are rice, jowar, bajra, maize, cotton, jute, sugarcane, sesame and groundnut. Foods in Haryana. Haryana is one of the wealthiest states in India with humble and kind-hearted people. V's diet is a vegetarian one and they consume a lot of milk and ghee. In fact, a lot of people make butter and ghee at home. Haryana is also referred to as the land of rotis. 17 authentic food in Haryana are Singri ki sabji, Bezan masala roti, mixed dal, Hara dhania cholia, Kadi pakora, Maulpia, Mite chawal, Bajara khichdi, Paura roti ghee, Batwa raita, Bajara aloo roti, Kachri ki chutney, Methi gajar, Alsi ki pinni, Tomato chutney, Dahi vada, Rajma chawal. Tourist places in Haryana are Gargaon, Kurukshetra, Panchkula, Faridabad, Panipat, Narnaul, Nuh, Karnal, Rohtak, Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary, Morni Hills, Damdama Lake, Manesar, Murtal, Kelsar National Park. These are the famous tourist places in Haryana state. Foods in Haryana. Haryana is one of the wealthiest states in India with humble and kind-hearted people. Haryana's diet is a vegetarian one and they consume a lot of milk and ghee. In fact, a lot of people make butter and ghee at home. Haryana is also referred to as the land of rotis. 17 authentic food in Haryana are Singri ki sabji, Bezan masala roti, mixed dal, Hara dhania cholia, Kadi pakora, Maulpia, Mite chawal, Bajara khichdi, Paura roti ghee, Batwa raita, Bajara aloo roti, Kachri ki chutney, Methi gajar, Alsi ki pinni, Tomato chutney, Dahi vada, Rajma chawal.
Okay, Nana, please invite one by one the raised hands. Rajesh sir, will you give any concluding words or you have patience to?
Well, I think I've spoken enough, and you please carry on. I'm just listening and watching.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we have already consumed a lot of time.
Yes,
So
yes,
please,
yes,
please
sir.
carry on. Yeah, please carry
Yes,
on.
thank you, thank you, thank you all, thank you, sir, and thank you, children. You see, sir, the raised hands. Still, we have 8 to 9 participants to present, but it is 2 hours we have started the session. Children, so shall we do that tomorrow? Will we postpone the same? We'll have after our regular class at 4 o'clock. Okay, is it okay? Rajesh sir, will you be there?
Yeah,
So
I
these
think
children want to.
I think that's a better idea. I also I would like to request all the children, dear children, time is also very important. So what we can do, whatever presentations are left, you prepare your videos, one thing, and share them with Sampath sir. And then if you want to make a live presentation tomorrow, if network connectivity is there, if it is of good quality, you are most welcome to make your presentation. Nevertheless, what we can do, you share your videos, we'll make a presentation of the same. So that will be good for everybody actually.
Yes, sir. Children, and we will continue it part 2 as part 2. Don't worry, Nana, everyone will get chance, and we don't make you nervous or we don't make you degradable. Means we won't.
I have a line to add, sir, if you allow me.
Sir.
Dear children, is my voice audible? Am I
Yes,
audible?
yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir. Audible.
Yes, sir.
Now allow me to speak in Hindi. Can I speak in Hindi?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
You all understand Hindi
Sure,
well?
sir.
Yes, sir. We can.
Oh, yes, sir.
Wonderful. You have to make a promise to me that you are going to teach me Telugu.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
You learn me to Haryana, sir.
Oh, Pakka, I have already, told Sampath sir that those who are selected for the program will visit Haryana. I will make the payments. I will make boarding and lodging arrangements for you all. Those who are selected by Sampath sir, they will be my guest here in Haryana, and they will
Yes.
stay with Haryanvi students. And I'll take you all to all the places which are, worth visiting in Haryana.
Thank you very
I'll
much.
take it. Now, a sentence in Hindi. जो आप लोग अभी कार्यक्रम कर रहे हैं, इसका पार्ट 2 संपत सर ने जैसा बोला हम वैसे करने की कोशिश करेंगे, और मैं आपको कोशिश करूंगा मिलवाने की एक ऐसे इंसान से जिसका नाम आप हर रोज लेते हो, हर रोज आप बगैर कहे लेते हो। मैं बताऊं उसका आप क्या नाम लेते हो?
बताओ।
सभी बच्चे लेते हैं, गूगल बोलते हैं आप, गूगल।
Google.
Have you heard about Google Boy?
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
Would
sir.
you like to meet him? Have you heard
Yes,
about Google Boy?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
सुना है
Yes,
आपने
sir.
Google Boy के बारे में? कौन है वो जानते हो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हम कल कोशिश करेंगे, मैं आज रात को Google Boy से बात करूंगा। अगर उनके पास समय हुआ तो कल आपके पास वीडियो ऑनलाइन Google Boy होंगे और वो आप सबसे बात करेंगे। तो इस कार्यक्रम को कल तक के लिए स्थगित कर दें, आप सबकी अनुमति हो तो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Tomorrow at 4 o'clock, same
Okay,
time,
sir.
we will meet, Nana.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
God bless. God bless.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, shall I end the meeting? Rahul, please formally close the meeting, and tomorrow we will continue the sessions.
Yes, sir. At first, I cordially thank our today's guest, Rajesh Vashish, sir, for joining in this fabulous meet. Thank you so much, sir. Pleasure to have you. And we are really fortunate to listen and watch Haryanvi students' presentations and performance. It's really outstanding. And thank you so much, guys. And I cordially thank all my friends who are here for joining in this and for making this such a great and phenomenal session. Thank you so much, everyone. And we'll be having our regular session tomorrow at 4 p.m. So let's join. And until then, bye and have a great day. Thank you so much.
Okay, Nana, note down the names of the children who are left and just take a screenshot in participants, and we will continue tomorrow. So thank you very much, all Haryani students, and thank you very much. Special thanks to Rajesh sir, and has taken initiation to make his children participate in our fantabulous session. Thank you all, my dear children of Telangana, Techie kids. And as sir said, we are going to do many wonders. And also we try to meet Vashish sir there. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.